Okay, so guys, as you can see, today we're going to be learning about derivatives. Yeah, I don't know why my hand. Come on, load already. Yeah, I need to. I need to teach the viewers. Can you please? Please don't click off. If you want, you can skip to the part that it actually comes, which I really don't know because this is a live, not actually live stream. But oh yeah, okay, there we go. So we're gonna be learning about the basic formulae of derivatives. If you do not know, that is a calculus. What even is happening? What the heck is happening? Okay, calculus. So now we are gonna be learning the formulas. Yeah, I started on the right thing. Okay, the first formula is f of x, the derivative thing. C is equals to, this is just the derivative thingy or calculus thingy. You'd understand if you know calculus yet. It equals to f of x of 0. So let me give you an example. F of x in phi. That is equals to f of x 0, or just f of x is equals to 0. Okay, so you learned the first formula. Awesome. Next we have f of x of x, which is just, c is just a constant. Okay, so yeah, it's not really on you. So constant plus phi, that can, if you did not know, yeah, I kind of make the mistake there if you did not know. But normally, yeah, you would understand this if you learned integrals, but I really did not teach you integrals yet, so I just forgot that. So just f of x c plus phi equals to f of x 0, constant. Okay, now we have f of x equals to f of x1. We won't really be using this because it really doesn't appear in tests, so just taught you that to get a basic group on derivatives. And it's also an official formula. Anyways, this is actually you're gonna be using, which is 1. Okay, so this is let me give you an example for this one. So f of x of phi is f of x of 1, which is just f of x of phi equals to 1. Okay, then we have the more useful formula. Both of these are just really not formulas you will use much that often. So yeah, then we have the formula. This is the formula that is mostly very common for derivatives, and it is f of x to the power of n. F of x to the power of n. Okay, so f of x in the power of n is n x to the power of n minus 1. So this is a pretty important, so yeah, remember this. Okay, then let me give you an example of this. F of x of phi to the power of 2 is just like, okay, here we go. Yeah, so n, which is 2 to phi to the power of 2 minus 1. And if you do not know, okay, I need a new page. Okay, there we go. Good notes. Load, please. Okay, very nice. is then we have 2. Yeah, if you did not know how to solve this, yeah, that should be pretty embarrassing. So 2 into 5 is, of course, 1. So let's just first simplify this, which is just 2 into 5 to the power of 1, and then 10 to the power of 1, which is just 10. So f of x of 5 squared is equals to 10. It could also be 10 to the power of 1, but both are the same. Then we have the ln formula, which I really need to double check right now, and the ln formula isn't really that important for now. The ln formula I'll definitely teach you in the next video. The ln formula, yeah, it's pretty complicated. So for basic formula 1, that should cover it up. So I guess I'll give you some sums if you see if you can solve them. Okay, so here you go. Here's some sums. And you can solve them. Okay, be back after all the sums are done. So montage. Okay, guys, I'm back, and all of these questions. Okay, find if you can solve all of these questions. You're definitely allowed to pause the video and go back and find everything. And if you don't want to go back, don't know all of these, you can go back. If you just want to see the answers, then yeah, here you go. So yeah, remember the formula. So yeah, final warning: if you want to go, then go. If you don't want to go, stay here. Okay, here we go. Okay, first we have f of x in 11 to the power of 5 equals to what? So we already learned it mostly here. The formula of f of x in xn to the power of n is equal to n to x of n minus 1 to the power. Don't know why that was so weird. Yeah, I said it really weirdly. No, who cares? But anyways, now let me show you. Okay, so we have xn, so just 5 into 11 to the power of 5 minus, yeah, 4 now, 1, which is equals to, after some basic simplification, 5 to the power of 4. Now, no one in the world is going to voluntarily solve this, so you can just keep this as the answer. So answer. No one in the world is actually going to do 55 to the power of 4. That will be in trillions and something like that, if you did not know. Not trillions, but yeah, it'll be high. And if you want to voluntarily do that, pause the video, go into your notebook, do it. Anyway, then we have, yeah, trillions is like something like the 4 to the power of 3, something like a trillion, so like something like a square trillion. I forgot the name because it really doesn't matter. I just saw it on a random fact video, but anyways, f of x of 3, this is pretty easy because yeah, anything like this is just, if you don't know, oh, what is that? No, it's just, yeah, that is ruined, but whatever. Just, if you can see it, f of x is equals to f of x and x equals to 1. Okay, so yeah, let me show you. F of x, this is just equals to, after f of x of 3, just equals to 1. Yeah, that really did not do anything. Then you remember the formula we used here, n to the power of, no, nx to the power of n minus 1. Yeah, remember that formula? That's the same formula we'll use here. So 27, so it's 827 into 28 into 27 to the power of 8 plus 1 to the power of 8, like, yeah, but 8 minus 1. Now, most people can't do this mentally, so Some people will do it, but yeah, just for explanation purposes, I'll just do this from 3rd grade, 4th grade, 2nd grade math. So 8 7s are 54. No, it's actually 56. I don't know why when you're in calculus and you forget some stuff. I'm so sorry, guys. Don't click off the video. I know it's 56. I'm not that dumb. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, which is 21. Hopefully that's correct. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm hoping that. But anyways, equals to 20. And no one is gonna voluntarily solve this. If you want to do it in your notebook. You will actually be there for hours and hours on end. Yeah, it'll definitely be in the millions or something. Not exactly in the millions, might be like in the 10,000, 100,000 cents. But next, f of x of phi. You already know this is 0, not 0, 1, just 1. So this is this basic derivative formulas for now. Tell me if you learned something. Tell me if you had a great time. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.